Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So it is, what is it? I don't even know what today is. Today is Thursday the 14th. And I actually did not know that I was going to be filming this today, but I just got my Ipsy for March. So this will probably be going up relatively soon. It is such a gorgeous day outside, and yet here I am spending it in my room because after I film this video, I actually have to pack for spring break because I leave tomorrow and I'm so excited. But I did want to film this for you guys today while I had some extra time. I got out of an exam early and one of my classes is starting later than normal, so I have an extra, I think in total I have an extra, hour and a half, and I'm living for it. But yeah, so I wanted to film this for you today. So this is my Ipsy for March. And if you don't have Ipsy, I don't know if this was just a me thing or if this was an Ipsy thing, but Ipsy actually let me pick out one of the items in my bag. So I know one of the items in my bag this month, and I'm pretty excited for it, not gonna lie. If I remember correctly, the rest of the bag wasn't overly exciting, but again, wasn't terrible. I've never had a terrible Ipsy other than last month when they forgot a product. Never did email them because I didn't care enough. But yeah, this it wasn't terrible. It wasn't my favorite bag. Just because it does have more face masks in it, and I love face masks, I really do. But at this point, I have to use up the ones that I have, and so I keep getting sent them, and I'm like, okay. But yeah, so I'm just gonna open up the bag and dive right in. Oh look, there's the item I picked out. Okay, so the item I picked out is the first thing I'm seeing, and this is the First Aid Beauty, which I love First Aid Beauty. I love their, I think it's the cucumber face wash. Love it. This is the Hello Fab Coconut Skin Smoothie Priming Moisturizer. So it is a moisturizing primer, which I don't normally use primer, but I still wanted to try this out, and it was better than any of the other products they offered me. So this is what it looks like. It is a mini size. It is 0.34 ounces, which I don't think is bad at all. So yeah, I'm excited about that. Again, that is the one I picked out. So this is the bag for this month. I'm digging this rose gold color, and he is substantially full up in here. And the wording on the bag says, "And off she went to change the world." And I just think that's really cute. I dig it. And then it actually has a blue zipper, which is kind of cool. Okay, so the first thing I pull out is a cute little sample highlighter, I think. This is the Pure Skin Perfecting Powder Afterglow Highlighter. So the color is Afterglow, I think. And if you don't know, Pure is a cruelty-free, vegan-friendly, and gluten-free brand. So I think that's really cool. Or at least this product is. A reflective, rich, illuminating powder that instantly adds effortless radiation to the skin. Effortless radiance to the skin. Sorry. So, let me see if I can get this boy out of his box. Ooh, that's a nice size, actually. Look at that. I thought it was just gonna be tiny. So let's go ahead and swatch. He's gonna have to also stay in this packaging because I don't have a Z palette to put him in. So, okay, so that's what it looks like on the finger. Okay, so it's definitely more of it's a frosty gold color. I don't know how much you can see that, but it is frosty. It is very, very in your face, but it's definitely more gold tinted, which I am too pale for right now. But this looks like it could be a good highlighter for me when I'm tan over the summer, because I'm going to be teching for marching band, which means I'm going to be outside all the time. I'm about it though. I found a picture, oh my god, fun fact, I found a picture of myself from marching band, I think junior season, and it's me just doing this super fancy leap and everything, and it's really cool. I look, I'm so tan in that photo that I look fake tanned. Just the way that the lighting is and how tan my skin, I actually looked like orange, and it's kind of embarrassing, but at the same time I'm like, damn, I got tan. I was about it. I forgot how tan I used to get. It's crazy. Giveaway alert. Ooh. Score 50 glam bag products plus $1,000 cash. Show us the Ipsy Shiro in your life by tagging them on Instagram and sharing how she inspires you for a chance to win. I'm always down for a good giveaway. Cool. Because it's, because it's National Women's History Month. Okay. That makes a lot more sense as to why this is what it is. Okay, but I'm about it. I'm all in. Like I said, I love a good giveaway. Okay, so because they had this, they didn't have an information card about the product. So that's a little bit of a bummer, but like, give and take, you know. So the next thing I pull out is, I don't even remember what this is. Is this the face mask? Yeah, okay, so this is from the brand I Do Care, I guess. Yeah. Okay. I Do Care Disco Kitten Illuminating Diamond Peel-Off Mask. Hi, open. The packaging's really cute. Look at that cute little like winky. And then it's on the lid too. Oh, cute. Oh, hello. Hi. Hi there. Okay. So I got a little bit on me, so let's go ahead. Whoa! Wow, that's illuminating, alright. Holy cow. Can you guys, like, look, I don't think my camera actually picks it up, but this thing has got so much reflux in it. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Look at this. Oh, I kind of want to use that tonight. Oh god, it is all over the lid. Oh no. Okay, but here, really quickly. That's what that looks like. So that's going to end up on my face. I'm going to look like an alien. I'm going to send some really fun Snapchats to my friends tonight. Woo! Okay, but that's... Alright, I'm kind of excited for that face mask. I can't even lie. Dang it. Okay, so we have two more things. I know that one of them is a brush, and I'm really actually excited about that brush, so I'll save that for last. So the next thing that I have is this Foxy Bay... No fox given. Foxy Bay Flamingo Leave-In Cream Conditioner. So I don't normally use leave-in conditioners, but you know, I'm always up for trying new things, and my hair is actually looking like a little tiny bit dry. I'm actually getting my hair done on Tuesday, and I'm so excited. So I don't want to say the next video that you see, but in some of the within the next 3 videos, I think you'll see a hair change, and I'm excited. I'm not going to tell you what it is. I can tell you that it's going to stay red, but it's going to be a different red than what you see right now. So, alright. So this is 1 fluid ounce, and it has biotin in it, and it's sulfate and paraben free, which is really good for me. I need sulfate free products because, of course, I color my hair, and reds tend to fade out the quickest, so anything sulfate free is good for me. Okay, so like I said, we are on to the last product, and I know what this is. This is, I think, 3rd brush I've gotten from this brand. And this is, I think it's a Luxie brush, but don't quote me on that. Oh, I have to get it out of its packaging. I'm sorry. Why did they put it in this? Ew. Ew. Okay. No, this is Miss Glam. I know that I have a brush very similar to this. I have like a highlighter brush similar to this. But anyway, this is a flat shader brush, which I don't actually have one of these in my collection yet. So I'm really excited. I can use this as a lid brush, or I can smudge under my lower lash line, or I can smudge the outer corner. I'm very excited for this. It's definitely very dense, which I like. I like that a lot. I like the pink that it has on the end. I think that's really cute. Yeah, and it's really soft. It's synthetic hair again, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, I'm about that. So, that is everything that I got in my Ipsy this month. Like I said, not my favorite box that I've ever received, but I am excited to try these products. As for the products from last month's bag, I have been enjoying the ones that I've been using. I think this is from 2 months ago. It might have been last month, I'm not positive. It's March now, so no, yeah, it had to have been last month. The Akar lip balm that I was using, no, it would have been January. God, I don't know. Whatever video it was that the Akar lip balm came in, I've actually almost hit pan on that. I've really been enjoying using that. But yeah, so that is everything that I have for you guys today. I really hope that you enjoy this video and you take this review into account when deciding whether or not to purchase Ipsy. I really like Ipsy. other than last month when they forgot a product, I haven't had a problem with them yet. They are a good company. I'm sure if I had emailed them, they probably would have sent me the sample and it would have been fine. I didn't care enough. So that's not an Ipsy thing. That's a me thing. But yeah, I really like Ipsy, and I haven't checked out Ipsy Deluxe yet. I already have too many monthlies coming out and not enough income coming in to try that yet. But if you do have that income and you can afford to, I would definitely go for Ipsy Lux. One of my hopes in the future is that I can get some BoxyCharm up in here, because like, BoxyCharm. So yeah, that is everything I have for you guys today. I really hope you enjoyed. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button down below and the notification bell so that you know whenever I upload, because in the near future, I'm going to be putting up some bonus videos. We always love a good bonus video, don't we? Yeah? Yes? Okay. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, everybody!